Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here with your Tuesday Noyes Notes, and it's another chilly start out there. Increasing late day clouds come out ahead of some light snow showers late this evening and overnight, coating to an inch in spots. We'll look at the accumulation map together coming up, and then rain and snow fill in for our Wednesday tomorrow, Messiest in far northern and western New England, where we'll add a few additional inches of snow accumulation. More on that in Insights. All right, kiddos, listen to your parents. Out the door, hat, scarf, winter coat, the gloves. Feeling like the single digits, teens by recess. A lot of sunshine if you want to grab the sunglasses. Tissues in the pocket, a lot of drippy noses this time of the year. New England-wide average, though, for a feels like will be in the low 20s for the bus ride home from school. And it's a gradual rising process today, 20s to 30s from north to south, feeling like the teens and 20s with a bit of a breeze out there. And tonight, teens and 20s as well, but the temperature will slowly rise throughout the course of the overnight tonight. That's actually a warm front that's coming in, and that brings some increase in clouds and a couple of snow showers. 6 to 8 p.m. in Vermont, the Berkshires, these slide east, light stuff, 8 to 10 p.m., not everywhere. And again, through the overnight, I'd say either side of midnight, a couple light snow showers, already mild enough for some raindrops to mix in across Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts. Then the morning commute tomorrow is generally quiet. There may be some localized slick spots and then the untreated surfaces. Still some pockets of rain at the coast of Maine and snow in eastern Maine that will be exiting temporarily before additional snow fills in across western New England, sliding east tomorrow morning, and that will be some rain the farther east you go with the milder air coming in. So predicted new snow through late this evening and overnight tonight. It is not much, but we'll get some scattered coatings, and that's the light gray shaded area you see here. So from the Merrimack Valley in and around 128 points west, Route 2 corridor, Berkshires, a lot of the northern half of New England, a coating to an inch, but there may be a couple of inches for southern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, and then back across central Maine. You can track the weather for your city and town right in our app. Pinpoint your exact location. Interactive radar, Past+Future mode is a great tool to have. Free, thousands of 5-star reviews. Search 1 degree outside weather in the App Store and Google Play, and you can tap to watch our stream right at the top, which is on 24/7, literally anytime, anywhere, and you can watch right on your smart TV. Open up the YouTube app and search 1 degree outside network. Have a great day, everybody.